Ms. Munoz again here with you to solve our first day of molarity problems. You'll see that you have an answer bank in this box for all of the problems. I've added a slide to tell you that when you're solving for molarity, the unit is capital M and the substance is solution, or abbreviated SOLN. Same directions as your previous assignment that you did for the review. So again, you're going to fill in a number or word anywhere you see a gray box, and it should show up in red. I have a periodic table here to calculate your formula mass. And we're going to do 3 examples together. So in number 1, I've given you the equation for molarity. You're going to do moles of solute divided by liters of solution. Sometimes it's so easy, you just find both numbers in the question. So you'll see we have 5.3 moles and we have 0.75 liters of solution. So you're going to be able to type in this box 5.3 moles. In the bottom box, you're going to type in 0.75 liters of solution. And it's as easy as just doing 5.3 divided by 0.75. Whatever you get, you'll type the number here. And for this first example, I gave you the unit is capital M and the substance is solution. The second example is the same pattern as number 1. So there's basically 2 of each type of problem. We're going to go ahead and look at number 3. In this one, there's a little bit more to it. So first we need the formula mass of KMnO4. So we have 1 K, we have 1 Mn, and we have 4 O's. The mass of K is 39.1. Mn, I can't remember, so I'm going to go back. I see Mn is right here, 54.9. 54.9. Oxygen we use all the time. It's 16. So I multiply across. I get 39.1, 54.9, and 64 for 4 times 16. That adds up to 158. All right, so then I can put the 158 for the question mark. 1 mole of KMnO4 is 158 grams. So now I can use that to calculate, to change my grams, 95, which I got that from up here in the question. I'm going to be able to change that into moles by just putting 158 at the bottom. And 95 times 158, or 95 divided by 158 is 0.60. So now I have my moles. Now I have a number that I can plug into this equation. So I can put 0.6, and my liters comes from the question up here, 1.5 liters. So 0.6 divided by 1.5, you'll put that number answer in this first box. And this entire lesson, every time you're solving for molarity, so capital M will be your unit and solution will be your substance. All right, one more example. So number 4 is just like number 3. You do have a different formula. This time you have AgN and then O3. But for number 5, we already have moles. So 11.6 can go right in here. We don't have to change that from grams to moles. They're already giving it to us. On this one, you're going to take your 750 milliliters, and you need to change that into liters. So it's 750 divided by 1,000. That's going to be 0.75. You can plug in 0.75 up here. Just do 11.6 divided by 0.75. Answer goes here. Unit, still capital M. Substance, still solution. And that should be one example of each type you see in this lesson.